Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at access modifiers. Now what are access modifiers? Well, in previous videos we have done variables such as these from different classes, right? And you can see that we put public in front of it, and here we don't have anything here, but then we have public here, and then we have public here. Sorry, let me zoom in. We have public here, and in here, we don't have any access modifier here. Why is that? Well, we'll see in a second. And then we have public here. So let's start off with the three types of access modifiers. So first there is the public. Here, actually, I'll just do this. First we have the public, then we have private, and then we have protected. Now we're not going to be looking at protected simply because it's a lot more complicated, but we'll talk about that in another video. Public is what you see here. Public is exactly what it means, or what it sounds like. Public means it is publicly known. You can access it from anywhere. For example, when we access this number, this variable number is in the other class, and we are only able to access it because it is public. If we set this to private, then it won't be able to access it. You can see I'll get errors because it doesn't know what number is because we set it to private. So private means that you cannot access this global variable from anywhere unless it's inside of the class. Public simply means you can access it publicly from outside of the class. That's all there is. Now, if you don't put an access modifier there, it's going to automatically assume it is private. So, if we just delete this entirely, or, sorry, wait, no, my bad. If you don't have anything there, it's just going to assume that it is public. I think in C#, it's, here, wait, let me see something. Yeah, sorry, my bad. So in C#, you know, it's a different language that I code in C#. When you don't put public in front of, don't put any access modifier in front of them, then it just automatically assumes it's private. But in Java, if you don't put anything here, then it's going to assume it's public. So this is so nothing is the same as putting public, but it's always good to put public because it's easier to read, looks better, and it's more informative, especially for the future, so that when you're coding in the future, you know what more information about the variable, and when you're coding with multiple people, they know what's public and what's not public and what's private, protected, etc. It's just a lot easier to collaborate and for you to gather information about certain things in the future. So that's it with access modifiers. This is a topic that, while helping a lot of people in the Java server, they don't know about, and yet they're doing like array lists and stuff. It just shows how shitty colleges are when it comes to helping people code. So, hope to see you in the next video, and goodbye.